Greetings, discreet defenders. Welcome back to the ranch. Today we have an actual box unboxing. Yeah, I know that's a Kel-Tec. Yeah, I know their reputation. But here's a P17. Bet nobody's seen that before. They've only been out for what, 4 years or so? To be fair, this is about as close as I get to introducing a new gun on this channel. But yeah, this is an interesting pistol because although it's a lot bigger than some of your little compact 22s and 380s that you've seen me shoot out here, it fits my hand a lot better, and it's only 12.7 ounces empty. The website claims 0.7 pound, which I was all excited about. I was like, wow, that's like 10.5 ounces. No, it's like 12.5 ounces. It's actually 0.8 of a pound. But I'm not too upset about that. It's only a couple ounces, but we are getting up into the territory of my 38 snub nose, but it'll shoot 17 rounds technically, but that 16th round barely wants to go into the magazines. As you can see here, it comes with a variety of different things. I'm sure you've seen plenty of these unboxed over the years since they came out, but whatever. I have taken the liberty of preloading the 3 magazines that it comes with some nice 38 grain Remington Ranch hand. List velocity at 1345. Probably not going to approach that out of the 3.8 inch barrel, but you'll notice it is a 3.8 inch barrel. The Walther I've been shooting out here only has a 3.5 inch barrel. So we'll see how things go. First up, I'm going to try to teach myself how to shoot this gun. We'll try it on steel. If I can't ring the steel, I'm obviously going to drag out a target and see where I'm hitting. But we'll do this from, what is that? 20, 25 yards, whatever that is. You know what? Let's pace it off. $25. Okay, that's 25 yards. Okay. 25 yards. 48 rounds of Remington Ranch hand. Ready to go. Now, I haven't even broken this gun down and lubricated it or anything. So if there's any stoppages, I'll let you know. But I'm not going to judge the pistol off of them just yet. Oh, yeah. Neat little safety on there. Oh, shoot, I've got it zoomed out 6 times. Okay. That takes... Whoa, hey. That is a light trigger. Oh my gosh. I'm much better with this thing than with any of my other guns. No stoppages. 16 rounds. I think I rang steel with almost every single one of them. Oh, there's a slight failure to feed. Pop that in there. Not bad. Whoa. Empty. That is a pocket machine gun. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm liking this little Kel-Tec so far. All right, let's zoom back out, load up some more of that ranch hand, and try it over the chronograph. Give me some clouds. Yeah, I think we're gonna get some clouds back. I think it's gonna go. This is gonna go. As previously explored on the 10 Minutes of Madness video, we know how bad that tree shadow on those solar diffusers can mess up a chronograph. And I do not need that happening here today because that would just be maddening. All right. shooting from underneath the chronograph. So don't get mad at me if it looks like I am shooting irresponsibly. Okay, you know what? We're just gonna have to move the chrono back over here. Everything's wet today as it's thawing out, but I want to make sure that that Remington Ranch hand, so I'm glad that Remington Ranch hand is in a plastic box. So far, the Kel-Tec is liking that ranch hand. We'll just run, what should we run? Should we run 7 of them? Let's try 7. I mean, these are 22 LR rimfire. Probably need a little bit more than a sample size of 5. Okay, got the little snowdrop moisture test in there. Don't want them to be cold. It's not really a fair test. All right. Oh yeah, and I should show you that safety. I'm not a huge fan of that safety. That's not the most positive engagement I've ever run into in my life. I just glue that down and carry on an empty chamber if I do wind up choosing to carry this gun. Okay, I'm gonna get back to my 10-foot mark. Probably help if I chamber around. 955. 1,028. 1,035. 1,044. 1,019. 1,020. And 1,025. You know, drop out that first one that I dropped in the snow and probably chilled extra much. Those are all going well over 1,000 feet per second. Hooray for the Remington Ranch hand. I'm just gonna, we'll just do the review. High of 1,044, low of 955, 7-shot average of 1,018 feet per second. Again, I think you can effectively drop out that first round that I dropped in the snow. And wow, that ranch hand out of this 3.8-inch barrel is functioning amazingly. We got to get these out here and do a gel test sometime and probably compare them to some other types of ammo that you can run out of this gun. But I would have no qualms about defending myself with this pistol. Yeah, 16 or 17 rounds of 38 grain hollow point going 1,000 feet per second out of the muzzle. That is a pocket machine gun right there. All right. Thanks, folks. This is Dave from DDR. Have another great week.